Mia, saying, so a big problem was so embarrassing today.
Don't worry, just use the paintbrush and the magnet.
Ah! Oh, wow! The paintbrush and magnet trick makes perfect sense now.
Welcome to Grow English Mastery. Let's learn effortlessly.
Someone said the movie was so funny today.
That is a perfectly natural and correct English sentence.
Someone said such a funny movie.
Both sentences are perfectly correct in daily English conversations.
Why can I not say so a funny movie?
That is a very classic grammar trap for many learners.
What is the secret memory trick for this?
You simply need to remember to describe or name things.
Describe or name? I am completely ready.
Let us begin with the first word, which is so.
How do I use the word so correctly?
The word so is strictly used to describe things.
So it acts like a very strong adjective?
Exactly. You just describe a feeling, look, or situation.
Can you give me a simple example today?
Imagine you are drinking a very hot coffee now.
I will say, the coffee is so hot.
Perfect. You are just describing the hot coffee naturally.
What if someone drives a car very fast?
You simply say that he drives so fast today.
Are there any nouns after the word so?
Never. The word so absolutely hates all English nouns.
So I cannot say, so a big problem?
That is completely wrong because problem is a noun.
I understand. So describes without any nouns.
You are doing great. Now let us look at such.
What is the rule for the word such?
Unlike so, the word such always introduces a noun.
It always wants a noun at the end?
Yes, such points at a specific person or object.
How do I talk about the hot coffee?
You must say it is such a hot coffee.
Why is there a little letter A there?
Because coffee is singular, you must use an article.
I see. It is such a good pizza.
Spot on. But what if you have multiple shoes?
Can I say such a nice shoes today?
No. For plural nouns, you just drop the A.
So I just say such nice shoes.
Exactly. You say such nice shoes and such bad weather.
So describes and such introduces a clear noun.
You officially mastered the hardest part of this grammar.
This is making perfect sense to my brain.
Now we will compare both words in real daily life.
I am totally ready for the comparison today.
Tell me about a long meeting with your boss.
The meeting with my boss was so long.
Perfect. Now give me the exact same meaning using such.
It was such a long meeting for me.
Brilliant. You used both words to tell the same story.
They are like twins with the same meaning.
Yes, it just depends on how you build your sentence.
Let me try this with a difficult test.
Go ahead. Give me the two different twin sentences now.
The test was so difficult for me today.
Beautiful. Now tell me the second twin sentence with such.
It was such a difficult test to finish.
You are officially a master of so and such today.
I am ready for the error lab today.
Let us begin fixing some very bad English sentences today.
Bring on the bad English for me.
Mistake number 1. My brother is so a good driver.
Driver is a noun.
Use such instead.
Perfect correction. Mistake number 2. We had such beautiful day.
Day is singular. We need the letter A.
Exactly. You must say, we had such a beautiful day.
What is the third mistake for me?
Mistake number 3. This new action movie is so boring.
There is no noun. Just say so boring.
Spot on. Or you can say, such a boring movie.
I just need to look for a noun.
If there is a noun, you must always use such.
I will never make these simple mistakes.
You are officially an expert at describing things in English.
I want to practice speaking these out loud.
Great. Listen to these 6 sentences and repeat them loudly with us.
The weather is so cold right now.
The weather is so cold right now.
The weather is so cold right now.
It is such a hot coffee today.
It is such a hot coffee today.
It is such a hot coffee today.
He drives the car so fast today.
He drives the car so fast today.
He drives the car so fast today.
They are such nice shoes to wear.
They are such nice shoes to wear.
They are such nice shoes to wear.
We had such bad weather this week.
We had such bad weather this week.
We had such bad weather this week.
It is such an interesting book today.
It is such an interesting book today.
It is such an interesting book today.
My mouth feels very natural speaking English now.
That is the power of our daily shadowing practice for your brain.
Let me quickly summarize the rules for today.
Go ahead. Show me your perfect memory of the lesson.
So is only used to describe.
Correct. You just describe a feeling or a situation directly.
And the word such always introduces a noun.
Perfect. It always points at a specific person or object.
So describes and such names the specific thing.
Exactly. You officially mastered the mystery of so and such.
I will never make these grammar mistakes again.
Now it is time for our amazing viewers to practice.
We have a fun homework challenge for you.
Write 2 sentences about your own day in the comments.
Use so and such in your comment today.
We read every single comment, so drop your answers below.
Hit that like button and subscribe for more.
Keep practicing every day and think fast, speak smart today.